Okay, so, hey buddy. Hi. Trying to work on the trailer today. Again. What are you doing? Hi. This is a little garage cat. It follows me everywhere. No. Say hi. Yeah. So my plan is this. It's got a trailer hitch on it. And I figure it'll work. Move this out of the way. Not the cat. The cat can stay. Move it out of the way. And back the trailer in here. And then I can work on it and the heater's going there a little bit. So I should get something. So let's see if the damn thing actually will start. No, it won't. Right. All the lights want to work. Oh, the starter isn't happy at all. It just doesn't want to start. Okay. Jump it, I guess. See what happens. There's a proper tool for everything. I do not think I have it at this moment. Holy crap, look at that son of a bitch. Gross. The question is, where is the jump box at? I had a jump box and it worked spectacularly, and now it's gone. What is this capable of? Battery maintenance and shit, float charger. Damn it, Dad. I could just jump it from my truck. That could work. Yeah, I guess try that. Get. Oh. Well, that works. Alright, I guess we're good. I hate the cold. Everything's frozen solid. Can't get the hoist down or move anything. The tongue's stuck frozen. So I can't make the ball seat properly in it. I'm frozen because I'm a dumbass and I don't wear gloves. This is frozen, so it didn't want to start. The snow's frozen, so now there's a big wall of snow here. Did I mention I hate the snow? Yay! No. No. It just turned itself off. It's not a big fan of the cold, and I don't blame it. So much shit packed in there. Whoa! Wow. My plan for this thing is take this license plate from up here, mount it down here, and have this light above it so it has an LED light underneath it that shines down on the license plate. Thus, I don't get pulled over in other states when it's 10 o'clock at night and I'm towing this trailer with an out-of-state license plate. I'm gonna get this all set up. I screwed up. I need a welding cart. It's just, I don't want to have this thing on the floor. I don't want a cylinder of argon sitting on the floor where people can bump into it and everything. And frankly, it'll just be safer that way. Fail the plan. Plan to fail. I should have got this a while ago and I never did. Didn't think I needed it. Now I do. So now I'm going to waste an hour making this. Yep. Have the license plate down here. And weld bracket right there. Popping circuit breaker. Not the best welds by any means, but they will hold it, and that's all I care about. I'm not looking for the best. I'm just looking for good. Woohoo, look at that. That looks so good. Fish. Look at that. That looks good. It's like 7 o'clock at night. I started this at 12. My time management skills are not the best. Alright. It's actually really nice outside. Yeah. Look, bask in the glory of the horribly decrepit, awful looking 350 small block that I don't want to build anymore. I want to do a 4.3, but now I have to finish this bastard. Shit. So I'm over at this moron's house. Hi. There we go. Got a month, 24 days, 16 hours, and 40 minutes, and 30 seconds.
38, 37.
28, 27, 26.
Yeah.
Whoa! Ah! Ah! I feel violated. And OSHA approved. So he's going to be doing headlights, and I'm going to be cleaning up my asinine, poor excuse of a brake job. Oh boy, this is cringeworthy. You want me? Yeah, except right here. Hello.
No, I don't care.
I brought a tripod. It's in the back of the car.
So today, we're going to take these out, these chrome pieces of junk that I can't stand anymore, and we're going to be putting those in. Those are some badass lights. Yeah, see that over there? That's Hunter's channel, right over there in the background.
It's very nice.
No, there's a garbage can.
No, it's a garbage can. I mean, he's not wrong. You didn't assemble the creeper, did you?
Creeper hasn't been taken out of the box. Oh, of course not.
God damn it. If you're welding, make sure you have a case. Because look at the lens now.
Nice.
That's from all the slag and shit. Well, why'd you do that? I'm like, because Dad, I'm stupid and I don't know what I'm doing. My dumbass, being me, even though this is completely functional and perfectly fine, it's ugly, and I don't like it. And I feel like if it bottoms out or does something stupid and rip all this out. So I want to just take all the lines, and I want to move all these junctions inside the car. Get that jack out of the way. I really do.
Do you want to jack up the car?
Yeah, kind of. Okay. Because I am super sketched out by jack stands, I went full retard on this one. So I got jack stands under the front subframe, jack stands under the pinch welds in the rear, blocks under the wheels, and a jack under the diff. Because I don't want my head to turn into a pancake. Are you astronauts doing?
We're bending it.
Haha! What the?
Damn it, it's still not enough. It's not bent enough.
Alright then. What in the name of crystal meth is going on here? Alright, you will officially have no brakes now. Hooray! We're leaking fluid everywhere. Don't you love it when a bolt's just loose enough that, or just loose enough that a ratchet won't spin it, but it's just tight enough that you can't spin it by hand? Hey, Jesus Christ! What was that? That scared the crap out of me. You just dick tapped me with my own tripod. Your whole exhaust is shoved to the right of the car.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, I don't like that. I really don't.
You can try to fix it, but get the brake lines done first.
Yes, Dad. You gonna fucking beat me?
Yes.
I don't mind the smell of brake fluid. It's actually quite relaxing, quite soothing. Nothing's. Ow! I was about to say, nothing soothes me better than running brake lines, and then I smash my knuckle on your car. Your light's starting to really piss me off here because it keeps spinning. And it's blinding my GoPro. Oh, I'm cutting the zip tie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What?
Someone's down.
You?
I may have cut a wire by accident.
Cut what wire?
Butter! Oh dear, I can make it purple.
Trying to take off the zip tie.
If you do this, it'll go purple. Oh, Jacob! I found something cool. Bushka.
Hey.
Yeah. So I found wire grommets. Yes, what I'm doing is not wiring. But it works.
You're gonna ridicule me.
Huh?
You're gonna ridicule me.
I'm gonna what?
Ridicule me.
Why am I gonna ridicule you?
Don't look inside.
What did you do? What did you do?
The back seat.
Damn it.
That's kind of stupid.
Jacob should have bought Mustang. But no, you got potato car. Morning. It is now 1 o'clock on a Sunday, so it's technically not morning. I got shit-faced last night and just decided I'm not doing the brake lines anymore, so I got 2 brake lines just sticking up through the car about 3 feet in the air because I got lazy and didn't want to do them after that. On the bright side, he got these things figured out pretty well. And we'll show that later, probably. I don't know.
Holding.
Again. Is that not cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. I think you're good. Yeah. That's kind of cool. It just jumps. Alright. Got the car back lowered on the ground. That, no, you probably can't, but that's done and everything. It looks pretty.
In the hole.
So check this out. You can do one light or you can do both of them. You can increase, you can decrease it. And if I really wanted to, there's chameleon. Say I want it to be this red like this bike. Aha. Or yellow. Maybe. Yellow. Or that. Or that.
So when do you start using that?
Boom. It's pretty freaking cool. Or this orange ambery color.
You have to go to like somewhere like me and Alex.
It was 7:30 in the morning.
What? I did it.
That's pretty slick.
Yeah. Exactly.
So those are what those lights can do. Those are pretty friggin' cool.
So quick.
What?
I caught him so quick.
Yep. What the f- Ow, what? I have several questions. I got a couple more things I still gotta take care of before we leave. I got a couple things I gotta take care of on the truck. When I do that, I will bring you guys back out. Bye.